Healthcare science is a generic name for over 50 disciplines.
We specialise in cardiac physiology and respiratory sleep physiology. These are both really important healthcare professional careers.
Because cardiovascular disease is the biggest killer in the Western world, respiratory diseases are on the increase. One of the main things about our course is that in the first year you spend time equally between cardiac and respiratory sleep, and you can choose which one you prefer before you specialise. Students spend a large amount of time on placement, learning and homing in their skills.
They can practice ECGs, echo, analysing arrhythmias, spirometry. Not only that, they also practice all these skills at placement, having access to some amazing equipment.
Because this course is so placement heavy, it really gives you a great first-hand experience of what your life is going to be like post-graduation.
Being on placement, you get to learn so many clinical skills as well, which will put you in good stead when you graduate.
Our lecturers and our tutors are always really supportive. They always check if we're on top of our lectures and they give us advice on our various projects. So I always feel like we're in good hands.
Studying healthcare science has helped me in my future career because the course teaches you the pathophysiology of diseases outside of your speciality, and that helps you to tie in a lot of the ailments that you see in person together.
I've had so much support from my personal tutor. The lecturers are always there to help.
We are training people to become cardiac physiologists or respiratory physiologists or sleep physiologists, but also this career can extend into industry or even going into research. So there's a wide variety of careers from this course.
This course just gave me the best of both worlds, where I can learn more in the academic side of things and I get to go into a career where I can help people.